Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for joining this session on our proposed new project, BOCHS Akshaya, which is located in Akshay Nagar, South Bangalore. I am Sanjeet Rao. I'm a director in Bank Officers Cooperative Housing Society. Today's agenda is that we will get started with some details about the project. Many of you would have received the brochures, or at least either hard copies, or you would have received the message and communication on various WhatsApp, or otherwise you would have received the details about the project. But I'm sure that many of you will have some questions and doubts about the same. So today we have decided that to have this session. So we will begin with our chairman, Shri G.D. Naraf sir, he will give an update on the project with some specifics. That may take about 15-20 minutes or so, or maybe a little longer. After that, we will open it up for question and answers so that you can clarify any doubts that you should have about this project. So I welcome you all once again, and we'll begin. Over to you, Naraf sir.
Okay, I'm continuing with the sharing of some details about our BOCH Akshaya project. Before that, I would like to give a brief introduction of our society. Some of you are aware, and some of you are new to our society. BOCH stands for Bank Officers Cooperative Housing Society Limited. This society started in the year 1982 by then office bearers of the ICOBO. ICOBO stands for All India Confederation of Bank Officers Organization. 1982, when they applied for the BDA for a suitable place in Bangalore for the residential accommodation to the officers, society was fortunate to get about 30 acres of land in the BTM. It is a BTM they allotted to this society. So Bank Officers Cooperative Housing Society Limited started its work. Before that, the BOCH was registered, and it is at present we have our registered office at BTM layout, stage 2. The founder chairman of the society was late Sri K.S. Prakash Rao. He is from Syndicate Bank of India. He was the general manager. At that time, he was also the chairman of the state unit of the ICOBO. Ably assisted by the founder vice chairman, Sri P.S. Rajgopal sir, who is a senior counsel today. At that time, senior counsel of the High Court of Karnataka. At that time, he was the general secretary of the Canara Bank Officers Association. Ably assisted by the others like Mr. M.R. Gopinath Rao, who was also the president of the Indian Overseas Bank Officers Association. At present, he is the vice chairman. Mr. Sridhar was there. Mr. Gopinath Nair was there. They were all about the founder members. So it started doing the work, and they have done number of projects. At present, this society is headed by me, that is, I am myself, G.D. Nadab. I am from State Bank of India. I was also a general secretary of the All India Bank Officers Confederation and All India State Bank Officers Federation. Also a director on the Central Board of State Bank of India. I have taken over in 2015 after the demise of late K.S. Prakash Rao. Earlier to that, for a long period, Mr. Sridhar was the chairman of the society. And presently, we have 12 directors, apart from myself as a chairman and Sri M.R. Gopinath Rao as a vice chairman. We were able assisted by the 10 directors, that is Amar Narana from State Bank of India, S.K. Bayer from the Indian Bank, Anjali Keshav Pai from the Syndicate Bank, Madam Raji from the Canara Bank, G.S. Kaban from the Syndicate Bank, K. Parameshwar Bhatt from the Indian Overseas Bank, G. Suresh Babu from the State Bank of Hyderabad, now it is State Bank of India, M. Linganna from the Syndicate Bank, Vishwanath Salimat from the Syndicate Bank, and Sanjit Prakash Rao, who is the son of our founder chairman Prakash Rao from the Citibank. Over a period of almost 4 decades, our society has grown in length and breadth, and at present about 1,600 and odd membership we are having. Who can become a member? All serving and retired officers of the public sector, private sector, cooperative sector, financial institution, regional banks are all eligible to become members of the society. That is, officers of any of the financial institutions and any of the banks are eligible to become members of this society. Of course, the right to admission is left to the board of directors. Up till now, we have completed number of projects. Icom Nagar project in a BTM layout 1 and 2, that is stage 1 and stage 2, in a 30 acres of land, which I already told you. They have constructed around 216 independent houses, and Acharya Sankirna, a flat, about the 30 flats are there in the Acharya Sankirna in the BTM second stage, wherein our office is also situated. Then Krishna Prakash apartment with 152 flats, and Ram Sridhar apartment with 104 flats. These are the residential projects in the Icom Nagar. Of course, we have our another project at the Panduranga Nagar project, which is just opposite to Indian Institute of Management. There are about 265 houses are there. It was also formed in 1992 and 1994. In Jagdish Nagar, we have the project has been finalized and allotted to 280 individuals. The construction activity is yet to start. Bosch Residency project, that is in the RME2, that is also called as a Bosch Residency project. RME2, that is opposite to our MS Ramaya Hospital. There we have about 80 residential flats constructed on a nearby 80 feet road. So thereafter, now today we are discussing about the new project, that is we have named it as the BOCHS Akshaya apartment project. Bank officers, cooperative housing society, Akshaya, because it is in the area of Akshaya Nagar. Therefore, we have named it as a Bosch Akshaya apartment. Now onwards, it will all be called as instead of new project, it is a Bosch Akshaya project, which is located in a very prime place in the Bangalore South. Akshaya Nagar is known to everybody because there are in the same area, which is developed very fast in the last 10 years. We have a DLF project, and we have a the Hiranand project. How to approach this Bosch location is very easy, because if you are going from towards south in Bangalore, in the Bannerghatta road, that you have to take a left turn at the Meenakshi Mall, and from there it is hardly 2.5 kilometers. You will first get the Hiranand project. If you proceed further, you will get the DLF, but don't go there. After the Hiranand, you have to take a right turn. We have already put our boards there, how to approach there. Our location map is also provided, and our numbers, phone numbers are given. 3 persons' phone numbers are there. Apart from my phone number, we have a phone number of our another director, Suresh Babu, and of course, first number is our Kishore, who is a secretary, who is a CEO of our society. His number is there. So anybody who wants to go there, approach there, they can contact. Otherwise, somebody needs our assistance. We have made our own arrangements to accompany them. They have to come. They have to tell us well in advance, so that one of our assistants will accompany them. From the Hosur side also, it is accessible. I think in the Hosur road, I think at Bommanalli, I think you have to take a right turn. There again, it goes to that area. Left side there is a DLF, and if you proceed towards right side, there is our Hiranand project. Before that, if you take their left turn, then again their boards are there. You can very easily reach there. It is in the higher. The area is also almost filled up with the residential flats and independent houses, etc. This is hardly 2.5 kilometers from the Namma Metro Meenakshi Temple station, which is going to come shortly. Now the work is going on, and of course the Hiranand and the DLF2 project successor projects are there. To be specific, for the connectivity point of view, from the BTM layout it is around 6 kilometers. From the Nice Road about 5.5 kilometers. From the outer ring road it is about 6.5 kilometers. Kormangala around 8 kilometers. Electronicity about 9 kilometers. Vidhan Saudha is about 15 kilometers. People ask about Central Railway Station, maybe around 17 kilometers. Then Banerghatta Main Road, as you are already aware, it is around 2.5 kilometers. From our office, it is about 6.8 kilometers. We thought that our board of directors that this project should be a model as compared to the other projects, not only from us, from any other builders. We want to provide a state-of-art facilities, an attractive elevation with a brown glazed tiles, etc. Which, of course, if you see the photo, this exactly what we have displayed in our background, the same type of building is going to come, which will be north faced, and opposite to that there is a 40-feet road is there, and flats are the Vastu compliant. That north east there is a kitchen, etc. We have taken care, and you are aware that in the flats it may not be possible 100% what is that the Vastu, but maximum care has been taken to see that all the flats will get a some that Vastu compliant. And also another feature of this flats is that these flats are independent. I mean that there is no common wall between one flat to other flat. The walls are different, therefore it is independent. Something happens in the other flat, like a sound, etc., it will not affect because it is like an independent house. So that is another factor. Of course, it will increase the cost also because instead of sharing one common wall by two flats, two different flats are there. So we are planning, because this is want to make it a state-of-art project. Therefore, we are taking up only selected people for this project. With that intention, we are starting with only 46 3 BHK flats with 18 2 BHK flats, because nowadays in Bangalore, there is a great demand for the 3 BHK as compared to the 2 BHK. Total about 64 flats are there. And size of the flat vary according to floors. There will be ground plus 4 floors. That is total 5 floors. With of course, in a underground, that is the basement, there will be a car parking. All the 64 flats will be given car parking. Of course, a few more extra car parkings are there that we will decide afterwards. If somebody wants extra car parking, depending upon the availability, etc., we will decide car parking. But at present, we have a 64 flats, 64 car parkings will be given, plus another about 7 to 10 flats, 10 car parking will be earmarked for the visitors. This is also necessary because 10% of the car parking must be available for the visitors also. And this project is RERA compliant, and the size of the flat, as I told you, varies from 1,250 to 1,350. The smallest is about 1,250 and biggest is about 1,350. There are about 18 two-bedroom flats. And the three-bedroom flats are 1,600 to 1,700 square feet flats of a super built-up area. I'm telling about this is a super built-up area. If you convert into carpet area, it may change. Now, in the ground floor, after the basement 64 the car parking, in the ground floor, we have 2 BHK and 3 BHK. That is the 2 numbers of 2 BHK and 3 numbers of the 8 numbers of the 3 BHK. Total 10 flats will be there in the ground floor. because we have kept some side area for some of the flats for the gardening. So those who are getting allotment in the ground floor, they will have a benefit of some gardening also. If you go through our the floor-wise plan, then you will come to know. In the first floor, again, there are 4 number of 2 BHK. This is and 8 number of 3 BHK. Total about 12. And up to that, it is open to the sky. Thereafter, second floor onwards, the number of flats will increase. There are 4 2 BHK and 10 3 BHK. Total about 14 flats. Similarly, for third floor and the fourth floor also, the 14 flats are there. Totally, it is a 64 flats are there. Apart from this, other amenities we are going to provide, like a clubhouse with the indoor games, library, table tennis, mediation, yoga hall, etc. will be taken care in our clubhouse. Swimming pool, of course, is also there in the ground floor. Swimming pool is there with all the facilities. Gym will be there in the ground floor, gym facility and other sports, indoor sports, etc. Then party hall will be there to conduct any function, etc., which the capacity of around 150 people can sit there. One party hall is also planned. And there is a children's play area is earmarked for the kids to play. And as I've told you that there is some space available for the gardening also. Then what are the, about the elevation? Elevation of the apartment will be something different. If you see from outside, it will look like a 5-star elevation, which I am not exaggerating. That is what our builder has also promised us, that it will be, he has done number of projects. He has joined with us because he would like to have some goodwill after serving the our bank officers. So he has quoted a very reasonable rate, and also is very friendly and cooperative, and telling that, sir, this our the entire project will be a model project for me to market for the further next project. Therefore, he is taking extra care. They have a reputed architect, and also he is planning to put a brown glazed tiles in the elevation of a premium at a premium specifications, and all flats are was to compliant, as I told you. And we are going to provide the vitrified tiles of the branded company, not from any local company. A branded company vitrified tiles with a 2x2 size tiles will be there, and height of the tiles, etc. Also are taken care in the bathroom and all, that it will take care of the entire full height of the bathrooms, etc. Tiles will be provided with a 3 that sliding windows, 3 shutters of UPVSC, that is with which contains 1 mosquito window also. And lift, of course, a big size lift which will take care of the stretcher for the passengers. Another lift will be there, which is called as a service lift. Schindler or some reputed company lift also will be provided. One again important is that is the water treatment. Water treatment means there is no need for the individual flat owners to put their own water filters or whatever it is. They need not spend it, because for all the 64 flats, the water treated potable water will be supplied from the top. That is another feature of this project. Of course, STP is there, which that water will be circulated for other purpose in the WC and bathrooms, etc. So these are the some of the amenities we have provided. Apart from that, in the clubhouse, as I told you, that the all other the equipments will be provided, and the swimming pool is open to the air, and CCTV in entire this thing we are going to provide a CCTV. Then rainwater harvesting, STP, and 24/7 security are all compulsory. Of course, afterwards it comes under the maintenance. So after the handing over of the flats, the Bose Akshaya Residential Association will be formed, and they will take care of the maintenance. And same day, the same month, we will be handing over to all the 64 flats to all the allottees. So from next month onwards, they will be independent. And before that, we have taken care that OC or E-Khata, etc. will also be provided before handing over to them. Then SSB Kaveri water supply is there. Apart from that, there is a borewell and also Kaveri water supply will be there. Then generator to take care of the 24/7 the power supply. That 2 kV generator with the power backup will be provided. And of course, there is a what is that? Solar heat. Solar is also there. That's all compulsory. And covered car parking that is in there. Something about the builders, I think you should also know who are going to build this. That we have seen in our brochures that we have engaged a very reputed builder and developer from Axis Concept Construction Private Limited, who are there in the JP Nagar. Their head office is there, and which is headed by Mr. Haris, who is a managing director. Of course, this land belongs to one Mr. Kumar Swamy. It is a joint the project from the Haris and the Kumar Swamy. And this builder has expertise and legacy of 20 years in real estate. His father was also doing the same thing. Now he is doing from last 20 years. He is doing they are doing this business of building and developing. About 25 successful projects they have already delivered. Some of our members might have also a beneficiary of his projects. One more project is there in the same area also. About more than 1,000 satisfied customers are there from him. Then there are other the general points which I would like to cover here is that the property is free from the encumbrance. Usually in Bangalore, it is very difficult to get any property which is free from the encumbrance or the legal problem, etc. It is having a clear marketable title, which has been now from the approved panel of some of the advocates of State Bank of India, Canara Bank, PNB, Union Bank, etc., HDFC, Axis Bank, who have taken an opinion from the panel of advocates. I think Rajni is from our State Bank of India, the others are there. They have all given this report saying that it is a marketable title is there and a loanable that is after somebody approaches any bank that they will easily get the loan also. To take care of extra care that whether there are any problems, we gave a paper publication also 6 months back in the leading newspapers. We gave a paper publication, and also we have put our own board there. That is this that our project is going to come there. Up till now, we have not we have given our own phone numbers. Almost everybody has contacted and thanked us that some project is coming. We have not received any adverse opinion about this project from any of them. Then scheduled properties under the joint venture scheme, both landlord and the builder. One thing is that the builders, the share is also sold to us. That is why we are going to enter into MOU with the owner and the builder that in the MOU that they have 100%. That is all the 64 flats are given to us only. This is of course they have applied to the BBMP. Shortly, I think within a week's time, they are going to get the building plan approved by the BBMP. After that, we are planning to commence this construction activity on an auspicious day in the month of second week of August, maybe 12th or 15th. We are not yet finalized. Both the days are good. We have earmarked. One is Friday, another one is Sunday, 15th August or 12th August, which will be communicated to all the allottees well in advance. MOU is under our draft MOU. We are given to our advocates for the vesting, and shortly that before the commencement, MOU with the builder and the owner will also be we will enter. Thereafter, allotment will start. I think by in the month of after the our allotment. I think application will be up to 31st. That we have requested those who are interested, they can apply up to 31st of this month. So in the first week of August, we are going to allot the flats. Now, good number of applications have come. Hardly 1 week time is there. Whoever is interested, they can apply, and we will provide them all our application form, etc. On 31st, I think we may close our booking. In the first week of August, we will start allotting the flats. Of course, there are 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom, limited numbers are there. Option has to be given. In the application, there is a provision also. And also, if possible, we will also take care of your needs of size of the flat also, depending upon your budget, so that the different sizes are there. One important the aspect of this project is that we are fortunate enough to finalize the cost of this project well before our lockdown started. Therefore, at that time, we fixed the rate. You are aware that since last 2-3 months, the rates of all the construction materials and labor have gone up 20%. You might have also read in newspapers. But one clause which we had put in our offer letter or the acceptance letter is that no escalation of the cost. Though after that they approached us saying that there is a 20% increase in the cost, but finally we have made them to agree that whatever rate has been quoted about 6 months back, same rate will continue, and also an agreement that no escalation of cost in between. We have given them 18 months time. They are very confident that they will complete it within 18 months. There is no dearth of any labor or the funds for them. And of course, one clause will be there. After 18 months, another 6 months extendable. But we shall see that as far as possible, it should be completed within 18 months or maximum 24 months, and no more extension. God forbid, if any other problem should not appear in between all these things. So duration of the construction will be 18 to 24 months. Then the flats, this is the responsibility of the builder to give the flats and with the occupation certificate and the individual E-Khata. A care has been taken that no violations have to be made. Whatever plan we get approved from the BBMP, there will not be a zero violations in construction. We are going to take care of that. And we are going to engage one qualified site engineer who will also supervise on day-to-day basis about the materials, about the quality and what is going on, progress, etc. So that there should not be any problem to get the OC and E-Khata. That is the responsibility of the builder. Therefore, we will be paying the last installment only after getting the OC and the E-Khata from them. Then, as I have told you already, these are all bank loans are available on all the facilities. This is a loanable project. I think I have taken much of your time and explained to you. And one question, that big question which you will ask is, how much cost will be there for the, how much amount we have to budget. So according to us, about 1,350 flat, the 1,350 square feet flat of SBA with the rate of 4,525. That is 1,350 into 4,525. This works out about the 61 lakh 8,750. Of course, you have already given, those who applied will be might have been given about 2 lakh rupees towards the initial. After it is also a practice to collect about the car parking and other BWSSB and other charges thereafter. So all those things put together, it may come around 64 lakhs. Of course, we are not taking into account the GST and the registration. GST and registration as applicable at the time of registration of the flats. So around 64 flats will be there. And car parking and other charges which we have put it there, it shows that 2 lakh rupees we are collecting car parking for 2 BHK and 3 BHK same. And BESCOM deposit, of course, it depends upon the 2 kV, 3 kV, whatever, depending upon the capacity that is of the power supply. So 2 BHK approximately they may charge about 65,000 and 3 BHK about 85,000. That is the deposit, which will be on actual basis we are going to pay it. We are not going to pay it in a lump sum to them. As at the date of payment, whatever rate is there, and you are also aware, the BWSSB and this BESCOM official rates are there, plus service charges we may have to pay them. We have taken care of that also. Clubhouse, we have to make it fully equipped with all the facilities. There are about 65,000 rupees. We are going to collect it afterwards. Swimming pool, gym, etc. around 70,000 rupees. Generator about 25 and legal fees. All put together, it will not exceed about another 5 lakh and 5.5 lakh rupees for 2 and 3 BHK. So roughly, I think for the 2 BHK, it will be around the 65 lakh, and I can say that around 80 lakh for the 3-bedroom. This is approximate. These rates are not going to change. Which rates are going to change it? Not the cost of construction rate will not go up or go down. The only rates which we are not sure today is regarding the what is the GST rate on that day, what will be the registration cost on that date, we don't know, and what will be the BWSSB and the BESCOM deposit rate on that date. That is after 18 months or 14 months, whatever date is there. Otherwise, these are very economical, and A-class flats are will be ready by another 1.5 years. So this is all I have said from on behalf of the society. Now this will be open for all those who would like to raise your questions. You can unmute and raise your question, or in the chat box, you can write down whatever extra information which you would like to have. At the cost of repetition, I would like to once again repeat that we may close the booking on 31st of this month, and we may start allotting and also entering into an agreement to sell with the allottees, so that they will be in a position to approach the bank if they want loan or make arrangement for the funds. 30 days time will be given to them after they execute the agreement to sell deed. So 30 days time is we feel that is sufficient enough to all the documents will be provided. All the documents which bank is requesting, that is our responsibility. All the documents will be given, and we have been approached by some of our housing agents, that is our counselors, that they have also assured us that they will be getting the housing loan sanction. Whomsoever approaches any bank, any private bank or any nationalized bank or State Bank of India or the HDFC, etc. We have a good number of counselors in contact with us. You may choose any of them, or you may directly approach the bank. After 30 days, the first installment will start, and thereafter, in stage wise, you are aware that stage wise the payment has to be done. That will be shared with the our builder, and the agreement will be there between the owner, builder, society, and the allottee. So this will be sufficient for the banks. We have also discussed with the executives of the banks. They say that they have gone through. In principle, they have told us that if you enter into an agreement with all these 4 people, then a loan will be sanctioned with the documents list they are given. Almost all the documents are available with us. So with these things, I would like to close my briefing, and my other directors are also there. You have any questions, you please raise this. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please introduce yourself. Who is speaking, and then we raise the
question. Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I am Dilip Jagidar, working in home loan sales team, Bangalore, KG Road, Mysore Bank Circle, Bangalore, sir.
Oh, good.
Sir, regarding, sir, I got entire this brief, sir. Now, whether this project is being approved by State Bank of India, sir?
Yes, State Bank of India, we approached. Dilip Jagirdar has assured us that he will do, but the advocate who has given this report is Rajini. Panel advocate. I think you may be aware. Rajini.
Sir, MR Rajini, or sir, there are 2 Rajinis. MR Rajini.
Okay, MR Rajini has told us that she will get it approved from the State Bank of India, and our friend Mr. Dilip Jagirdar, who is there in that housing loan this thing in SBH, our SBM building, he has also assured us that once these documents are provided them, at no point of time it will be State Bank of India is going to give us this. And our one more director, who is our Anjali Pai, who is also doing this State Bank, the housing counseling, of the majority of the bank, that HDFC, Axis, etc., ICICI. She is confident that once this formality and documents are ready, she will also get it approved from the other banks also. I don't think a zero problem as far as taking the loan, and that too when all the allottees will be bankers from here and there. I don't think any problem will be there, and because when you are giving them 100% documents, and it is 100% the marketable clear title is there, so that we can assure once the documents are submitted that 100% loan facility they will get it.
Now, sir, I will just within 2 minutes I'll brief it, sir. How it works, sir? Hello,
हाँ बोलिए
sir.
बोलिए.
Sir, within 2 minutes I'll brief it, sir. How it will work, sir. Now,
Please,
what
please.
will when the entire documents are shared with us, we will give it to our advocate. Now, as it is because MR Rajini madam she has done it, so what it is over. And then secondly, we'll add to another advocate also, sir. So when these two advocates they give the report, then subsequently we'll take the valuation report, sir. And with that valuation, when all these four are ready, we'll collect the builder profile from your side, your request letter, builder profile, and everything, and if all NOCs and your plan, everything. Then we'll upload in our bank's official website, sir. If it is uploaded in the website, there will be no issue at all, sir. Any person taking from any corner of the country also, he can view that from any our State Bank of India website is there. So in that, if it is done, then there should be no issue done. Then there will be no legal, no valuation valuation, because entirely it will be borne by State Bank of India. So there should be no issue at all, sir. And it will be a plus point for you also, sir, because processing fees also will be waived.
Definitely.
So
definitely we'll take the assistance of you also. And
yes, sir.
now some questions have come in the chat box. Let me take up first those things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
That
payment schedule first. 2 BHK payment schedule.
2 BHK and 3 BHK payment schedule they are asking. 2 BHK
Percentage
total 14. 2 BHK total 14 installments are there. 14 installments are there, totaling about 64 lakh. And 3 BHK also 14 installment about 77 lakh. And application, we are providing you application form for 3 BHK 3 lakh rupees and 2 BHK 2 lakh rupees plus 2,000 rupees towards the application and the membership, because all we have to give it only to members. Membership fee, application fee about 2,000 rupees, which is non-refundable. 3 lakh and 2 lakh are the advances. Up to the date of allotment, they have option to withdraw. Once allotment takes place, there is no option to withdraw. They have to forfeit. Then somebody is asking about the gas. Yeah, centralized gas facility, a provision has been made. If the government is going to provide, that facility is also there. Otherwise, also for 64 flats, that the centralized gas facility is also there, which I forgot to mention. Then
all the members
sample flat will also be made. That is a model flat. They are going to make it so that you can go and see, and allottees can suggest some changes, etc. Then this is surrounded by all the four sides. One side, right side of the flat. Please mute.
Point number 1.
Please mute one.
President is a must. It is a mandatory that he introduces the board of directors to the members. That has not been done because.
Please mute. I will do everything. There is no time limit. There is no time limit. Everything will be done. Let me now take some questions which has come in the chat box. Somebody asked that something about the surroundings. I forgot to mention that at the right side there is a DLF project, which you are already aware. At the front side there is a Hiranand, and also Indian Institute of Management, and there are the schools, colleges, multiple facilities, hospitals like what is that on the Bannerghatta Road. You are already aware that number of hospitals are there, and IIM is there, and that full area is now developed. There is a 100 feet road, approachable road, but in front of our flat there is a 40 feet road is there, and Prestige Songs apartment is also there nearby. This is surrounded by all these things. Can it be registered in the name of the family members? Okay, we are going to allot it to the member. At the time of registration, option will be given if they want to use their children. This will be the children's name. The society has can take care of such things also, because I am aware that majority of our members may be retired, so they would like to see whether their sons and daughters can be registered. Yeah, answer is yes. Application process is very simple. That whoever is interested, let them contact us. We will send it to them the application form along with the brochure, etc. They can fill up that application, simple application with DD or the RTGS of 2 or 3 lakh, depending upon 2 lakh, 2 bedroom or 3 bedroom. then they will be sent this receipt, and also allotment will be communicated only in the after the allotment process is over in the month of August. And some model flat will be there. Okay, these are some of the questions I think I have attended. Somebody was asking some question. I don't know.
Hello,
Please louder. Who is speaking? Please introduce yourself.
I am Chandrasekhar from Hubli, Dharwad.
Which bank?
State Bank of Mysore, retired.
Oh, tell me, sir. Now SBI. Okay, then check. Tell me.
Yes. By having staying in Nagar only, can it be possible to visit your project or day after tomorrow?
Yeah, anytime. If anybody would like to visit that area, either you go there on your own, we will direct from here. Or you want somebody to accompany, somebody will accompany also. At least 1 hour earlier to that, you contact us so that our boy will be ready. He will accompany you to that place.
Okay, sir. Can you give the contact number, sir?
Contact numbers are there in that brochure.
Okay. I
can again repeat those numbers also. You can take down 3 contact numbers are there. Sanjit, you can type there also. Contact number, is it possible? So contact number is 98451
98451
82239.
82239.
I'll repeat it.
Okay,
98451
okay.
82239. This is our secretary's number, Kishore.
Sure, okay, sir. I'll talk to you.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Visiting, I'll call him, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning. And I know another 2 numbers I'll give.
Tell me.
Another 2 94481 24777 is my number. 94481 24777. And third number 819-770-1133 is our Suresh Babu, another our director. It is already displayed.
Okay, sir.
You please take down.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Displayed, you please take down, and we have email ID also. BOCHS Limited 1982. That is when we started our society at the gmail.com.
Okay,
and our
thank you, sir.
office address is also there. Ground floor 006 Acharya Sankirna, Aikob Nagar, 9th main, 2nd cross, BTM 2nd stage, Bangalore. It is very nearby our Udupi Garden or the Udupi Garden circle, or near Advaita Petrol or A2B. It is very prominent place. And as a sample, we have put 2 what is that how it looks, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom, that map. Now you can see there 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom. Now we are displaying here. You can see there.
I can do a brochure, no, sir?
It is there in the brochure also. We'll send it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Hello, sir. My name is Sunaina, and my father was a ex-Syndicate Bank employee.
Okay.
Mr. K. Chakradhar, I think you know him also.
Yes.
K. Chakradhar. He was zonal secretary for Syndicate Bank. Yeah.
Okay.
So my husband and I are interested to invest in the apartment there in Akshay Nagar. So we would like to know that once we make the payment this month and so, what if it is not allotted to us? Will you be returning the whole amount to us, or will there be any deductions as such?
No. If the 31st is the last day, now we will be having the idea that we will be having the idea that whether you are going to get it or not. Of course, if it is over subscribed, you will not get it, you will return it. Even in the case of not allotment also, immediately we will refund the amount.
The whole amount.
Allotment has the option up to 31st December, up to 31st July. This option is available for both sides. Either society can reject or the applicant can withdraw the application up to 31st of July. Once the allotment takes place, if you are not getting refund before 31st July means your allotment is confirmed. Then number of other things we will give afterwards.
Okay. And what is the initial payment we may have to make up to 31st of July?
That is only 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh rupees towards 2 bedroom, 3 lakh rupees towards 3 bedroom, with the 2,000 rupees towards the application and membership fees.
Okay, and we can give a
2 lakh 2,000 rupees for 2 bedroom, 3
Okay.
lakh 2,000 rupees for 3 bedroom.
Hmm.
And
Good morning,
it
sir.
is already there that in
Angel,
case of
Google,
cancellation of
Google.
booking during the course of the construction, etc., that we will be refunding the entire amount.
Okay. Okay.
Good morning,
A
sir.
post-dated check we can give, sir, or is it we have to give the amount itself?
No, no post-dated checks. It has to be either by the DD or RTGS. Demand
Okay.
draft or RTGS.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Office
Nadav
check
sir.
or bank
Good
check.
morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nadav sir. Sir, two questions, sir. First question.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Please introduce yourself, your name and bank.
This is Sarath sir from Krishna Prakash Apartments.
Oh, here only. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Tell me, Sarath.
Yes, sir. Sir, two questions. One question is, sir, any changes or modifications allowed to the flat, sir?
No,
one allotted to the owners?
no. It will be no changes will be allowed. Will be made. And now, because one model flat will be ready, construction-wise we may not make changes. But if somebody suggests some extra fittings, some extra these things, other things, you may take care after seeing the model plan. But basic construction will not be changed.
Okay.
Structure will not be changed.
Structure will
Because
not be changed.
that will create problem for us for OC.
Okay, got it, sir. Sir, and we have the RERA approval, right, sir, for the project? That's
Yeah,
ready.
RERA approval. It is the responsibility of the Axis people. They are already RERA registered.
Okay, sir. One last question. Any video available, sir, of the aerial view or the apartment video view, kind of to understand?
We have requested them to prepare one video. That is 3D video or something, which is under process. As soon as it is ready, we will put it in the YouTube or send it to the allottees.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Today, this webinar is also getting recorded. We may put it in the those who are not in a position to attend today's program.
Yeah.
We may put it in the our Facebook as well as in the YouTube.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
good morning,
Thank
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Your name and blank, please.
Sir, I am Paraj from Indian Overseas Bank, sir. Retired senior
IOB.
manager of Indian Overseas Bank.
Okay.
I worked with you also as an office bearer with Gopinath Rao, sir, and Acharya,
Yeah,
sir.
Gopinath Rao sir is our vice chairman.
Yes, with I
It
taken
is
you
his dream
also.
project.
In one meeting, I met you also, sir, as an
Thank you.
office bearer, retired
Thank
office
you, thank
bearer.
you.
Sir, my point is, suppose the allotment you are on what base you are allotting, I don't know. Suppose we
First
don't
come,
do
first served. Allotment, sir, allotment will be on first come, first served.
Okay, sir. Suppose if it is in top floor, generally I don't like it. That's on. So suppose if it is allotted in top floor or ground floor, if we have option to withdraw, sir.
No. This once we before allotment, once we allot it, usually we will not entertain any withdrawal because by the time we would have stopped our what is that the enrollment, that is the applications also. Then we will put into problem. So as far as possible, we will try to see the taste of the. Some people are interested to go top floor, some interested in ground floor, some are interested in some other these things. We will ask them the three options. As far as possible, we will accommodate them. There may not be any such occasion that somebody at that stage will withdraw. Okay, 1 or 2 cases we may consider because we may have to keep some waitlisted people also. That I cannot answer today, yes or no.
Sir, what about Vastu complaint, sir?
I already told at the cost of repetition, all the flats are Vastu compliant. It is north, east and west facing, and that kitchen is in north Agneya. Southeast kitchen Agneya. Our Suresh Babu, a director, and Anjali Pai, they were very particular about the Vastu. So they have spent number of days in making this plan the Vastu compliant. And you are also aware, no house or no flat can be 100% Vastu compliant.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
How many apartments are there, sir? Totally 2 BHK and 3 BHK?
There are 46 3-bedroom and 18 2-bedroom. Total 64 apartments.
Sir,
Location has been put
on the map.
in the map. There is a
Question,
location.
What is next to the building? Anta? Front is.
There is
40
a
feet road.
Akshaya Lake is there. Of course,
Immediate next in front there is 40 feet road. And
Yeah, you
back
can
side
see
is
the
VIP
map.
layout. This is the place where the plan is
You explain. Sanjit will explain about the location.
All
Nadab sir.
sir, not
I'll take
speaking, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Sanjeev will take a 1 minute.
Kindly bear with me for a moment. I am just showing you the location of the apartment. You mute man. Volume coming, right? It's okay. So this is the location of the building. This is the plot. As I'm showing my mouse pointer over here, this is the plot of BOCHS Akshaya. This is the 40 feet road in front, which is going. There is something called VIP layout, which is an independent layout of plots and bungalows, which is on the 3 sides of the behind it. Yeah. So you can see that this VIP layout entrance is from here. Akshaya will come over here. BOCHS Akshaya comes here. Now you can see that Hiranandani's property is here. Yeah. And you can see the lakes are quite a distance. It's not like vicinity, right? You can see that VIP layout to Hulimau Lake is about kilometer. On this side also maybe about 750 meters from the lake. So that's the rough Hiranandani Hillcrest project is over here. As the crow flies, this comes till here somewhere. So as the crow flies, it's probably about 500 meters from this location. And there is Prestige Song of the South, which comes on the back side. On this side is Prestige Song of the South. That's the project which has come up there. Right? And DLF is in the vicinity over here. So DLF, Hiranandani, and Prestige is in the vicinity of within a kilometer of this project. Depending on which gate you go, some gates are even closer, like 500 meters, 750 meters. Yeah, that's the kind of distance. Okay. So that's the location. There was a question around what is next and what is, so this is the location and this is what is there. And like I said, there are 2 lakes in the vicinity, but it is probably, this is about 1 kilometer from here. This is about 700 meters from here. So I hope I've answered the question around what is next to the building. As Nadab sir has mentioned, you can go and visit it. And it's slightly elevated, the place. So it's not like a low-lying place. It's slightly elevated as compared to the rest of the surroundings. And as Nadab sir has mentioned, if anybody is interested, kindly contact Kishore if you want to have a site visit or whatever. Thank you.
Sanjit, left side, is there a garden? I think there was a garden.
Yeah. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, there is a garden also.
Yeah, left side of the apartment.
There. If somebody goes and visits, then they can see all those things.
Yeah, I could see a garden just left side of the site. Front side is
good morning, sir. Nadab sir.
Good morning.
Prakash Barsheshi from Indian Bank, sir.
Tell me, Prakash.
Regarding allotment, whether we can mention our flat number or you are allotting the...
No, numbers we are not yet marked. Allotment number you will come to know on the date of allotment.
Then I want east side. If you are allotted to west side, how it can work out?
As I have told you, we shall try our level best to accommodate as possible your choices. But you also understand that in such cases, even if you go to the outside developer also, that the choices, if you approach early, choices are more. If you go late, then already you might have allotted. So that is why those up to 30% whoever is allotting on first come first served basis on seniority.
Any exchange of flats are can be exchange. I want this number or that number. That also.
Yeah, you can exchange with somebody. There is no problem. If A is ready to A and B, if both of them are ready to exchange each other, we can do it before the documentation takes place.
Okay.
Otherwise, again, you may have to do the your agreement to sell number, etc. will change. Bank document in a bank also that number will change. Before approaching the bank or before signing the agreement to sell. Please mute. Some people have unmute. Please mute. Please mute. Sunday morning, some discussions are taking place in houses. Please mute.
Hello, hi. Hello, hi. This is Vijay. Hello.
Tell me, sir.
Hi. This is Vijay. My father-in-law is an ex Canara Bank employee.
Can the host mute the person who's talking?
So
please mute. Somebody is Somebody who is talking in his kitchen who can hear.
Can you hear me now? Hello? So, okay, my question is this, right? I mean, is this the only 64 apartments, or is there any other phase in the same complex, or this is all it is?
1 minute, madam. Somebody is talking, requesting, they are not muting. Mute ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ mute ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ದ್ವಾರಕಾನಾಥ್ ಅನ್ನೋರ್ದು ಓಪನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಯಾರ್ದು?
ದ್ವಾರಕಾನಾಥ್.
Okay. What? Please repeat your question, madam.
Hello, hi. This is Vijay. So my question was: is this the only set of apartments, or is there anything else coming in the same place? It's only 64, is it?
After completion of this, we are coming out to the other projects also, but
not in this, not in the same place, right? It's a
not
different
same
project.
place. Now it is in the south and probably in the north Bangalore. We may complete start, and we have also planned to start our projects at Mysore, Belgaum, Hubli.
Okay.
After this, yeah, we cannot bite more than what we can chew.
Okay, that's understandable.
Sir, do you have both east-facing and north-facing apartments?
East and west. East and west.
Acha, east and west. Okay.
No, don't worry. As some people have choices east, some west, some corner, some people have floor wise. Our society is very friendly. That we shall try our level best to satisfy maximum number of our members. But
Okay,
you
sir.
also understand the limitations.
Yeah.
Subject to availability.
Subject to availability.
Allotment subject to availability.
Subject to availability only. And somebody has asked, no, if two people are ready to exchange themselves, they can do it. No problem.
Is there any installment basis is there to pay the?
Yeah, installments are there.
14 installments
14 installments.
over the span of 18 months.
Over the span of 18 months, 14 installments are there.
Because we are not getting, I think we are the pensioners, so we are not getting any loan or anything. So that we are thinking about installment only. Okay, sir.
Pensioners means you are having already funds, no?
Already funds.
If you are not going to the bank loan,
For
then you have a funds one, then why you need installment?
Yeah,
Only people who are going for the loan can require installments. In lighter vein. No, in lighter vein, no problem. No problem that our the payment schedule is very flexible and it will not cause any problem. If somebody goes to the bank loan or somebody invests his own savings also,
because of
it is very flexible.
Yeah, this also I have undergone for treatment for COVID also, and I have given some amount to my son also. Because heavy this one for medical this time I have given 5 lakhs to hospital.
Yeah. COVID has taken not a problem.
Okay, sir. Okay,
No problem. We'll take care of because we have almost majority of our members are retired.
Yes.
So they will be doing it only for their kith and kin.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And in some cases, if they want to take loan jointly with their kith and kin, we will also make that agreement suitable to that also.
Okay.
Some people they will pay their own and they want it to be registered in their sons and daughters' name. No problem.
Okay.
Not hard and fast rules, but we have to keep in mind the rules of the government. That is because ours is a cooperative society, housing society.
Right.
We are governed by the Karnataka government's department rules also. So we have to comply the government rules also, RERA rules also, and also request of the our allottees also. So we have to balance between all these.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Is the current pricing market pricing, or how is it?
It is much less than the market price at that area of the similar flat. We cannot say similar flat because our flat will be state of art flat. That only you will come to know because the taste of the pudding is in its eating. If how much I may explain today, that will not satisfy you. So we have told him to make one model flat, maybe in the ground floor or somewhere. Afterwards, you will come to know. Then you can compare our
model flat is ready. Model
but
flat is ready to see. Or
as I told you in the beginning itself, no escalation cost. This cost has been agreed with him with 6 months back. Because of the COVID, we have kept it pending. Now he was arguing with us that the rates have gone up, 20% rates have gone up, etc., etc. but we have not taken his request because earlier he has agreed and he has given in writing also that no escalation of cost, and also that the materials and specification like the solid bricks and the standard company, the steel and what is that, cement, sand, etc. Specifically, we have all done because our Suresh Babu and our Madam Anjali Pai, they were very particular about each and every item which has to be used. Project specification is there. You can go through that project specification, and no diluting the project specification because we are not considered the escalation. And the builder has told of the record that he is not doing this project for the sake of profit. He wants some relation with the bank officers so that in the next project and other things, I think he may increase his share. So this, whoever is getting the flats in this, they will be getting at the very reasonable rate.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, Prakash Barshesh, Indian Bank. If a builder unable to complete the project, is there any such arrangement you have made, sir?
Yeah, because we have entered an agreement with the, going to sign that, payment to the builder also on the stage wise. Only after spending from his pocket, he will come to us for the reimbursement. And if there, in all agreements, there will be penalty clause. At any moment, if that any problem comes, God forbid, that penalty clause is there, that he has to forfeit all the payments, etc. So taken care. And in this case, he is not an ordinary builder. He is of more than 20 years of experience. And they have funds we are providing. Manpower is with him. All the architect, if you visit his office, you will come to know what type of builder he is. It is in the JP Nagar. We have made all the inquiries. That situation may not come. And if that happens, that clause will also be there in the MOU. That is called as a penalty clause. We have taken care of that.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, you had said at the start that not all floors will get the same number of apartments, right, sir? Is it?
Because in the ground floor, there are less number of flats because of the ground floor, some gardening space is there. Therefore, in the first floor, number increases. Suppose in the ground floor, as I have told you, if the number is 10, that is a 2-bedroom, 2.
Hello.
In the ground floor, there are 10 flats, 8 3-bedroom and the 2-bedroom.
They can see. It comes there.
Hello.
We can see, sir. We can see.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Boliye.
I'm Mr. Chakrapani, retired corporation bank employee.
Okay, Chakrapani, tell me.
So where can I have the application, sir?
Application, we have given you 3 numbers, no? 4 numbers. You contact any of these numbers and give your address. We'll send it to you. Or in the WhatsApp, it is there. You can take the what is that printout? You can take the printout and apply.
What are the details to be?
You can give your number. You can WhatsApp your number to us. We will mail you or we will WhatsApp you.
Now, what are to be submitted along with application?
Along with application, nothing. Only DD.
DD
for 220, 2 lakh 2,02,000 or 3 lakh 2,000. Nothing.
Okay.
And of course, as a banker, if you are that identity is there, that you belongs to bank, that you have to make self declaration, so that we are not allotting to any outsider.
Okay.
Only bank officers will be there.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Though there are much inquiries from the outsiders, we are not going to allot it to outsiders. This is a bank officer's project. Bank officers should get it.
Sir, good morning. I'm Lakshmi Narayan from IOB.
Yeah, Lakshmi Narayan, tell me.
Can we apply in the name of our children? I'm an ex-employee.
No problem. You can apply.
Okay.
But you should be, a main application should be there. You can see that that I am going to take this in the name of my son, daughter. In the application, there is a provision.
Okay. Okay. And once our initial payment is accepted, can we rest assured that the allotment will be there?
Yeah, you can rest assured. If you get the receipt for your initial payment, allotment is rest assured.
Okay. Thank you.
Suresh Babu, you want to add anything which I have left? Because he is the person Sanjeev, Suresh Babu, Anjali Pai, and our Bhatt sir, Parmeshwar Bhatt, they are all involved from the beginning itself. In fact, this site has been identified by Mr. Parmeshwar Bhatt himself. So all our other directors are also there. Suresh Bhatt, if you want to say something which I have missed. Sorry, Suresh Babu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This project will be RERA approved.
Suresh Babu is our director. He is from erstwhile State Bank of Hyderabad, now State Bank of India. And he is expert in all these activities. If I have missed anything, you can share, sir. Thereafter, our vice chairman is also there. It is his dream project. He will also share his experience.
This project will be RERA approved. The application to the RERA will be submitted by the builder immediately after the BBMP approval is received. And they'll also get the CC commencement certificate and the occupancy certificate and also the Khata transfers. This property is a highland flood-proof basement with a basement parking. There was a question by one of the participants whether there will be a sufficient place for a car park along with a small two-wheeler parking. Possibly, yes. Between the two car parks, there were some pillars coming up and they can adjust, the neighboring people can adjust and park the two-wheeler car. There was the car park size is about 2.5 meters width and 5.5 meters length. It is more than sufficient.
Standard. That is a standard.
Standard size. If the car is a smaller car, you can park the two-wheeler in the front or in the backside of your own car. There was in detail. The specifications are 5-star, if not 7-star. All the windows and the balcony shutters are UPVC with 3 shutters, glass and a mosquito net. Railings and staircase will be MS railing with the approved designs, water treatment plants, and the toilet fittings will all the items, all the items in an apartment, the toilet fittings, the tiles, the lifts, the staircase, the VPC window there, and the main doors, bedroom doors, balcony doors, and the electrical fittings, all will be standard branded variety, not the local varieties. And one more thing about the power and the generator, or the 2 BHK will be provided with a 3 kilowatts power, 3 BHK will be provided with a 5 kilowatts power, and there will be a 2 kilowatts power backup power for all the flats in case of power failure. Generally, even the best of the builders like Prestige and Shobha and all the people provide only 1 kilowatt, which is not sufficient even to run a refrigerator along with your fan and TV. In this case, we will ensure that at least your refrigerator works when there is no power through the power backup only. And the kitchen, we have ensured with the builder that most of the people will go for a modular kitchen furniture done at the houses. So we have told the builder that you should give the kitchen in a plain manner and provide one black granite 18 mm thick panel for the kitchen platforms. If anybody doesn't want it to be fixed, they can inform us. We will provide only a kitchen room and he can do the modular kitchen the way he wants it. And about the civic amenities, there are 2 bore wells with potable water. The water is sweet enough. We have tested. And there will be 1 inlet of Kaveri water, and entire water goes to the underground tanks. It will be treated and then pumped up to the overhead tanks and supplied to the flats. 99% the water is potable without any water filter at home, like we use RO or other things. And it is the individual member's choice to whether use it with the RO or directly they can do. And there will be covered parking at the basement for all the apartments, plus 10% for the guest parking. We may get about 3 or 4 or 5 maximum extra car parks. Those will be allotted to the members on a first come first serve basis. People who are insisting on a second car park have to give it in writing to the society well in advance. We maintain a seniority of those applications. Based on the seniority and availability of the extra car park, will be allotted. And the ground floor of flats, if you have seen the plans, what our Director Mr. Sanjeet had displayed on the screen, the ground floor flats have an advantage of an extra space of about roughly small area for the garden area, which is a private garden, which will be charged at a very low price of the cost of the flat. Suppose the garden area is about 300 feet. We will be charging only 100 feet to those people. That will be a private garden with a fencing in that. They can use it for their kitchen garden, or they can use it as a lawn for their use by the family members and all that. And these flats, I can tell you, these are independent houses in an apartment complex. There is a 4 feet gap between two flats. The neighboring flat will be 4 feet away from your flat. These are all independent houses in an apartment complex, which is very rarely done in Bangalore. The builder has incurred much of a loss in these things also, and he has provided all these things. The swimming pool is 40 feet in length. It's very close to the national standard swimming pools with a children's pool and all that. And the entrance lobby for the building will be double-story height, almost 16 to 18 feet height, with full glass enclosure in the front like a 5-star hotel, and beautiful party hall, beautiful library, beautiful prayer hall, plus beautiful gym. All these facilities are there, and lot of greeneries will be provided in and around the building. It is for the residents to maintain it over a period when once they come and occupy the flats. If there is any particular question about the specifications and all that, I can reply to the members.
Thank you, Suresh Babu. Thank you.
Right, sir.
I think we are somebody is asking whether they can change their tiles in the bathroom, etc. Of course, once you are allotted, you can do inside. You can do whatever you want to do it. If you are not happy with the color or mistake, you can do it. No, there is no such restriction. And since the walls are independent walls, whatever construction activity or whatever you do it, it will not disturb the neighbor flat also. If, at your cost, if you want to make some changes, you can do it. Or well in advance, if you tell us, we'll if it is your suggestion is acceptable to all, we can change for the all also. Once
Sir, here I would like
model flat, any improvements can be done. You are not rigid about all those things.
Sir, I'd like to add. I'd like to add what you told about the toilet tiles, sir. There will be ceramic glazed tiles, 1 feet by 1.5, with a dado up to 7 feet. Up to 7 feet, tiles will be there in the bathrooms with a false ceiling and the geyser going above the false ceiling. And
concealed geyser will not be
concealed geyser with a false ceiling, and the flush tank will not be a regular flush tank what we find in our houses. It will be like a box type covered within the wall, like you do have it in 5-star and 7-star hotels. These are all extra star facilities we are providing to the individual people.
I think we have tried our level best to tell. And if you don't have any questions, I think somebody has asked whether this webinar is recorded, whether it can be circulated. Yeah, we are trying to put it in the Facebook and also in the YouTube. And if anybody specifically requests that this copy of this recording, we can send it to them also. We'll try our level best to circulate it so that those who are not present, they can make use. Now I request our Vice Chairman Gopinath Rao to speak something and also propose vote of thanks.
Sir, one last question. There was one question. Sir, one last reply. There was one question by one member whether they can combine two flats. In this building, they combine two flats and make it a bigger flat. In this building, it is not possible because there is a 4 feet gap between two flats. And any change like that will be affecting the superstructure of the building. Individual flats or individual flats. There is no. If there was a common wall flat, probably yes, it would have been possible. Not in
and it will affect the elevation also.
elevation also.
Okay, can I speak now? Mr. Nadaf?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah,
So,
you are
good
audible.
morning to all my dear friends. It is a very nice way our chairman, Mr. Nadaf, has given a overview of the entire project of this society. We have done many projects. I think the members who are there, and if you have got any friends who are already members who have got enjoyed the benefits of the society by having their own houses where this society has constructed, you can have a discussion with them to know as to how
Hello.
this society has functioned all these years. How we
Hello.
started in 1980, and we have done many projects which is there available in the brochure for you to know. And about this project, Mr. Nadaf has given a very clear picture as to what sort of building is that is coming up and what all the facilities that is available for you, and to the standard of it, as rightly said, it is almost equal to a 5-star this one. Whether it is opposite Hiranandani or the DLF buildings that has come up side by side, if you go and verify, and also cost aspect, if you find it, you will certainly feel that this is the best that you are getting it. It is not for marketing purpose we have done this job today, but only to clear the doubts whatever members would have had before investing in a project. We want to clarify it, because as bankers we know that every banker will be very, very keen to know for every pie that he invests, he must get at least 10 paisa reward. So that way we have taken care of all these things, and very clearly things have been explained. And I'm sure that even the time what that has been specified as 18 and 24, as the builder has very clearly stated that he would like to see to it that it is finished even earlier to this 18 months. With all sincerity, he will certainly do it, but for certain other natural calamities what we had, like this pandemic and other things, if that happens, we have to bear with that. But otherwise, it will not exceed even 24 months. I am sure about it. Well, these are the things that has been done. I am sure that whoever takes the initiative to invest, he will certainly feel very happy. Nobody will regret about it. That's what I can say. But anyway, today, very good response was there for our initiative that we have taken today. And many people had put many questions. And all these things have been very nicely answered by Mr. Nadaf, our chairman, Mr. Suresh Babu, Mr. Sanjit, and other directors also. And one thing, this present team of directors who are there are very much committed. We are all bank retirees, and all have done their best when they were in service. And even after service in this society, they would like to contribute their best to their own brethren in the banking industry. That's how we have started it, with a missionary zeal. Be rest assured that you'll be the happiest man once you make an investment. So for all the questions you have raised, you have got the proper answers, and I don't think that there will be any further doubts in your mind. And whoever wants to have the brochures, they can write to our secretary, who will be very happy to see to it that it is posted to your address. Well, friends, we had a very good meeting today, and I must thank Mr. Nadaf for a very nice description of the building and the way he answered all the questions. Mr. Suresh Babu and Mr. Sanjit. Yes, as rightly said, Mr. Sanjit happens to be the son of the founder of this society, Mr. Prakash Rao. This society was started by Mr. Prakash Rao, Mr. P.S. Rajgopal, myself, Sridhar, and Gopinath Iyer. All this we started in 1980 with the first 30 acres was allotted by the BDA, and with this the BTM project was started. And today people who have invested in BTM must be feeling very, very happy, because the investment they made at that time was a pittance. If I had to say, it is nothing but pittance, because they just invested for a 40-60 site with the building constructed by the society. It was only some 3 lakhs. Today, the cost is more than 3 crores. I don't say that this investment is going to fetch you like that, but the thing is, you will not be a loser. That much I can certainly say that. So I'm sure you'll be the happiest when you make an investment in this. Once again, for all the questions that you have raised and the involvement you have shown and the interest that you have shown and for the participation today, I thank all of you. I thank Mr. Nadaf, Mr. Suresh Babu, Mr. Sanjit, all our other directors who were present for this very nice meeting and the clarifications that has been given to the members who have wanted to know that. So once again, thank you very much. If there is any further doubts, you can certainly reach the society. Our secretary, Mr. Kishore, is another very nice, I should say, very well experienced person.
Kishore's face. Kishore's face, we will show it to them.
Yeah, Kishore.
You can see,
yes, yes,
you can see Mr. Kishore.
Yeah. So that way,
yeah, Kishore is there on the screen. You can see
all these
Kishore.
things. So with this, I conclude by once again thanking all of you.